Instructions for registering to buy seed and early bird rounds. Scan the QR code to get the DApp link, or copy the link below the description. Select the MetaMask Wallet app. Log into your MetaMask wallet. Select the icon below. Paste the DApp link here. Select Connect. Note: BNB fee required. Enter the referr's wallet address and then select Join Now. Instructions how to invest. Select the arrow icon to display the investment package. Select Investment Round. Select Investment Package. Select Approval before buying. Select Next. Select Approve. Select Buy Vega. Vega Network wish you success.